was waiting for my thing to go clear. And then I was like, oh, it's still recording even though it's not clear. Today for writing, I wanted to reach out and talk to you a little bit more about labeling. When we do our pictures, we like to label, and that's one of the ways that we tell our story, is not only through just drawing the pictures, but also adding label to our pictures. So today, I'm giving you a picture, and I want you to label as many things as you can in this picture, and then we're going to write a sentence down at the bottom. Your sentence can be different if you want to think of one. That would be okay. But the first thing that I want you to do is write your name on your paper. All right. Now, I'm not going to do the whole picture with you, okay? I'm going to show you what I mean by label. So we can label by writing the word next to the object. So this is the word cloud, and I wrote it next to the cloud. That's one way to label. You can go ahead and pause the video and write cloud next to your cloud. Another way to label is to draw a line from the object to the word that you're labeling. So I drew a line from the heart to the word heart. Okay. I wrote my word cloud next to my cloud, but I chose to draw a line from the heart to the word heart. One of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some words that you might find in this picture, and then you can pause the video and add them to your picture, okay? So we already did cloud, but I'll give you cloud and heart, okay? You can find the cloud, you can find the heart. There is a bird you could label. There is a bear you can label. There is grass you can label. There's a butterfly. Fly. And there's a balloon. Balloon. Let's see. That's all I see. There's lines and squiggles, but we don't have to label those. So I'm going to scoot this over so you can see all of the words. Now what I'd like you to do is to pause the video so that way you can see all of these words. And then I want you to go through your picture and say, oh, here's the butterfly. So I'm going to choose, do I just want to write the word next to butterfly, the object, or do I want to draw a line to it? Okay, so I want you to pause the video on these words, find them in your picture and add the labels, and then come back when you're done. All right, is your picture labeled? I did not label my picture because I'm going to show you my picture again, but I just want I want to see how you labeled your picture. So I left mine with the 3 that I did before you pause your picture, or before you pause your video. Now, I want to think of a sentence that talks about this picture. Remember, our pictures match our sentence. We don't want to talk about going to Disneyland in this picture, right? Our sentence wouldn't be about going to Disneyland when we have a bear with hearts, would it? No. This picture strikes me as a love picture with so many hearts in it. What might be a sentence that we could write about love? And we are still in February, and there's a special holiday in February where we celebrate love, and we had a party for it too. we could write, and again, you can think of your own sentence. That's okay. I'm going to write, what am I going to write? I was going to write a sentence, but I think my words are too big to fit on the line. I can show love. And I end my sentence with a period. I end my sentence with a period. Something that I should have done when I was writing my paper or my sentence was put my finger spaces. So I write my I, and then I put my finger before I write my next word. And then I put my finger down and I write my next word. When I met with you guys, you all had great stories that you wrote about the things that you like to do, but we forgot to put our spaces in between our words. And when we forget our spaces in between our words, it gets real hard to read. I don't know where one word stops and another word starts. So we have to make sure to put our finger spaces between each word. Okay? So you should have your picture labeled. You should have either this sentence or you could think of your own. That's okay. And then take a second or a couple of minutes to color the picture before you turn it in, so that way it is nice and pretty and beautiful. And I know that you guys are going to do a great job.